Hi everyone, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. As the temperatures continue to drop and the days get shorter, it's time to start thinking about managing your lawn through the winter months. In this video, we'll take you through a step-by-step winter lawn care checklist. An application of a granular fertiliser in autumn will give your lawn the final boost it needs before winter sets in. But if winter's already here, or the temperatures in your area have already dropped, then a granular fertiliser application on a warm season turf type may have minimal effect. If you did want to fertilise your lawn over winter, you're better off using a liquid fertiliser like Exceed, as it has essential nutrients such as iron and manganese, and it's uptaken quickly as it's absorbed through the leaf of the plant. As the temperatures start to decline, your lawn will start slowing up in growth, so you'll need to mow less. It is recommended, however, that you still mow every so often during winter to keep the height of your lawn in check, but also to remove any debris that may have settled on your lawn. When you're doing this, it's always recommended to keep the catcher on. Stick to the 1/3 rule, removing no more than 1/3 of the leaf, and ensure you don't scalp the lawn, causing any unnecessary stress to the grass whilst it's dormant and unable to recover. Most weeds don't stop growing over the cooler months, so it's important to continue to treat them either by hand or with a weed treatment, as your lawn may be susceptible over the cooler months. Each weed requires a different type of treatment, so it's important to first diagnose your weed before selecting your treatment option. For common broadleaf weeds like clover, bindi, oxalis, cudweed and cat's ear, we recommend using a broadleaf herbicide like all-purpose weed control or Amgrow bindi. The all-purpose weed control comes in an easy-to-use hose-on bottle that clips onto the hose for application. Amgrow bindi is a concentrate that needs to be mixed with water and applied either through a knapsack or a garden sprayer. If you are unsure what weed you have growing in your lawn, check out the Lawn Solutions Australia app or reach out to us here directly. A great way to prevent weeds from germinating in your lawn again next winter is by using a pre-emergent herbicide like Oxifert before the temperatures drop in autumn. Pre-emergents work by forming a barrier at the soil level, and any new weed seedlings that germinate hit that barrier and then die before you can see them in your lawn. Now, if you're already in winter, you can still apply a pre-emergent herbicide, but just keep in mind it won't affect any weeds that you can see, but will take care of any new germination. As mentioned previously with Exceed, products containing iron can help strengthen your lawn. They can also help improve the colour heading into winter and throughout the cooler months. If you want to use a dedicated iron-based product in winter, we recommend using Iron Guard Plus. A common thing that we hear from a lot of people is they really don't like the fact that their grass loses colour over winter. Whilst this is completely normal, there is definitely something you can do about it. Colour Guard Plus is an organic lawn pigment that is absorbed into the leaf of your grass. It will give your lawn a natural green colour for up to 12 weeks. You can check it out online, on our lawn store, or visit your local Lawn Solutions Australia stockist. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll hope to catch you next time.